So now we'll try the declarative way. So as we said, for the declarative way, we have to create one YAML file, which will have the clear instructions and what to do, what not to do to the Kubernetes. So for that, I'm using one of the editor. You can use VI also. I am using Nano here. Let's see its works. Should be like example -pod.yaml file. Yeah, I can create it. For the sake of time, let me copy paste the code. Here is the code looks like. First I'm trying with the API versions. So this varies based on your revisions, and kind should be pod type, metadata, the name of the pod, label should be app nginx, environment is demo, and the container information and the image information and the port to be opened. That's it. I mean, we can go more detail like pod informations with mounting points and then storage and then environment variables more, but to make it simple, just these are the necessary things to get the pod running. So I'm going to write this Control O and I'm going to exit now, Control X. Let me verify the file. Yeah, there it is. So now that we have the deployment file, I mean this we called as deployment file, we'll run the kube-c-tl apply command now. Kube-c-tl apply, and the -f represent the file. The file name is example -pod.yaml. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we got the pod created, and if we get kube-c-tl get pods, I hope this time the pod will get running. Yeah, it's running mode. Hope this helps.